Second, data affordability. Friends, it is both unjust and ironic that 50 crore Indians who have feature phones pay more for voice calls and SMS than those with smartphones. They end up spending their entire month's telecom budget of 150 to 200 rupees only to get 150 minutes of voice, while their smartphone counterparts on the Jio network get voice for free. Even today, these 50 crore people have to pay between 4,000 to 8,000 rupees for every GB of data, while their smartphone counterparts on Jio get data for between 10 and 20 rupees a GB. If these feature phone users were to consume a similar quantity of data as smartphone users, they would have to spend over 4,000 rupees a month at the prevailing 2G data rates. This makes it impossible for them to even think of using data, let alone avail advanced data services like video calling, mobile video, and mobile applications. Third, device affordability. Even an entry-level smartphone costs between 3 and 4,500 rupees, making it unaffordable for feature phone users to upgrade to a smartphone. We simply cannot idly stand by when such a large proportion of our fellow citizens are unable to participate in the digital revolution sweeping the nation. This is the most critical problem in bridging the digital divide. And I had challenged our young engineers at Jio to find a disruptive Indian solution to this problem. What they came up with stunned me, and it will stun you. Today, Jio is going to reinvent the conventional feature phone with a revolutionary device, an unmatched Indian innovation made in India by young Indians for all Indians. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce India Ka intelligent smartphone presenting the Jio phone. May I now invite Isha, Akash, and Kiran on stage to give you a demo of some of the incredible features of the Jio phone.
Hello everyone. The Jio phone is an awesome innovation made in India by young Indians for all Indians. It is our great honor to introduce to you the Jio phone today on behalf of the entire team at Jio. The Jio phone may look familiar, and this is intentional. It is designed It is designed to be extremely easy and friendly to use. But that is where all the similarity ends.
Absolutely. We have disrupted everything about this phone. And what you are about to see is the most intelligent, affordable phone in the whole world.
The JioPhone is a 100% 4G LTE phone, and it has a unique and revolutionary user interface for a phone of this kind. It supports all of India's 22 major languages. Bhasha Anek, Bharat Ek.
While you can still use the keyboard, with the JioPhone, you can simply speak to the phone. And the JioPhone understands and acts on your voice command. Akash and Kiran are now going to use their handsets to walk us through this incredible phone.
Can we please mirror our phone screens on the presentation screen, please?
Thank you. We can see our screens. किरण शुरू करते हैं एक फोन कॉल से वॉइस कमांड पे. कॉल किरण.
Okay, looks like I have a missed call from Akash. Let me now try to reply to him with an SMS, again using the voice command. Message, Akash. Sorry, can't take your call, slightly busy right now.
Got it. Your voice command works flawlessly, Kiran.
Isn't this impressive? It works just like magic. Now let me show you how easy it is to browse the internet on the JioPhone. When is Ganesh Chaturthi?
Ganesh Chaturthi is on Friday, 20th
Now with the JioPhone, all the information of the world, the internet, is available at your fingertips, or the tip of your tongue if you so prefer. And you can do that just by speaking.
We have already put all of Jio's top ranked applications on this phone. Apps like Jio Music, Jio Cinema, Jio TV are already preloaded. So let's have some music. How about something patriotic? Again, let me use voice command. Jio Music पे वंदे मातरम सुनाओ.
One of the great things about the JioPhone is that it has a speaker system that is more powerful than any other phone. You don't need a headphone to enjoy music or any other audio.
Great. Now let's try some cinema. Show Bahubali 2 trailer on Jio Cinema.
राजमाता शिवगामी देवी को साक्षी मानकर
Yet another useful feature, we believe, is that the JioPhone is a potential lifesaver in times of distress. Any JioPhone user can long press the number 5 button and the JioPhone will automatically send a distress message to your selected near and dear ones.
Okay, let me try that. I have added Akash as my emergency contact on my JioPhone. Let me now press the 5 button and see what happens. As you can see, it also sends your location, and this is an invaluable feature. And very soon, we will be integrating local police and other emergency services also with this feature.
We are blessed to be living in a country where we have a visionary and digital savvy leader, our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi. JioPhone fulfills his Digital India and Make in India vision. All of India can now stay in touch with his inspirational messages. Let me play the latest Man Ki Baat. Here it is.
मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, नमस्कार। अच्छा हुआ कि वर्षा ऋतु समय पर अपने नक्शे कदम पर आगे बढ़ रहा है। देश के कई भागों में झमाझम बारिश से मौसम सुहाना हो गया है।
We have shown you just a few of the capabilities of the JioPhone today. There are literally hundreds of features packed into this tiny little phone, but it's super powerful, and hundreds of more that are in development.
For example, later this year, we'll be introducing NFC technology to the JioPhone. All Indians can link their bank account, Jan Dhan account, UPI account, or any payment card to the JioPhone and make payments with a simple tap of their JioPhone. JioPhone hardware is ready for secure payments on day one, and this feature will automatically appear through a software upgrade on your phone.
Friends, young Jio engineers have spent tens of thousands of hours working hard to create the JioPhone. It's a labor of love in the service of India and Indians. Just get your hands on a JioPhone, and I promise you, your life will be transformed.
Thank you very much for allowing us the time to share the JioPhone with you.
And now, let us hand over and welcome back to the stage our beloved chairman.
Dear share owners, as you just saw, the JioPhone is a truly revolutionary phone that will transform the lives of 50 crore feature phone users in India. Now, let me announce the tariffs and the prices for JioPhone. First, on the JioPhone, voice will always be free. Second, the 50 crore feature phone users don't even have access to basic internet and applications. And I believe that today, every young Indian should have information access at his fingertips. And that is what the JioPhone enables. To enable a digital life, all need access to data at affordable rates. So starting 15th August this year, I am declaring digital freedom for all feature phone users. Jio will give them access to unlimited data on the JioPhone. If these feature phone users were to consume a similar quantity of data on any other operator's network, they would spend over 4,000 to 5,000 rupees a month at the prevailing 2G data rates. Jio will provide this only at 153 rupees a month. This is 1/30th, 3% of the existing price. And with this, I am putting an end to unaffordable data for all Indians forever. So second, with the all unlimited Jio Dhan Dhanadan plan will be available on the JioPhone only at 153 rupees. Third, many JioPhone users may like to view their favorite content such as live TV, movies, educational programs, and mirror them from their JioPhone screen on the big television screen in their house. This is especially true in many remote parts of India where even cable TV and high-speed internet have not reached. Our young Jio engineers have created an innovation to help them, a special and affordable JioPhone TV cable that connects the JioPhone with any TV, not just a smart TV, not just a smart TV, but even the old CRT TVs that you have, so that Now all JioPhone users can enjoy viewing their content from their JioPhone screen onto the big screen on their television sets at home. Along with this accessory, users can opt for the existing Jio Dhan Dhana Dhan pack at rupees 309 that will allow them to watch 3 to 4 hours of videos daily on their choice on a large screen. Fourth, we are well aware that many of these users find it difficult to commit rupees 153 upfront. In order to fit every pocket, we are also introducing 2 sachets, a weekly plan of rupees 53 and a 2-day plan of rupees 23 that provide similar values and all the features. So friends, to sum it up, this breakthrough and revolutionary device named JioPhone, along with Jio's disruptive tariff, will unleash the power of digital life in the hands of 1.2 billion citizens of India. Now, let's do a quick recap of today's highlight. Number 1, Jio redefined technology service adoption and became the fastest growing company in the world with more than 125 million customers. Number 2, Jio revolutionized data consumption and made India the number 1 data consuming nation globally. Number 3, in terms of Jio's network rollout, Jio will ensure that India's 4G coverage will be more than its 2G coverage in the next 12 months. Number 4, Jio reinvented the conventional feature phone and launched a breakthrough device called the JioPhone that will unleash a digital life for all the feature phone users in India. Number 5, Jio once again disrupted market tariffs by making voice calls free for 50 crore feature phone users, introducing an unlimited data plan for JioPhone users at only rupees 153 per month, introducing an innovative JioPhone TV cable to help connect the JioPhone to any TV for watching your favorite content, and announcing affordable, all unlimited sachets at rupees 54 a week and 24 for 2 days. These are truly 5 path-breaking and revolutionary announcements from Jio. But that's not all. There is always, like the last AGM, one more thing. You may want to know how much the JioPhone will cost. Remember that even an entry-level 4G smartphone costs between 3 and 4,500 rupees. Today, I am delighted to announce that the JioPhone will be available to all Indians for an effective price of rupees 0. Yes, my friends, you have heard it right. For an effective price of rupees 0. The JioPhone is effectively free for Jio customers. We know that anything free can be potentially misused. To protect against misuse of the free Jio offer, we plan to collect a fully refundable one-time security deposit of rupees 1,500 with every Jio phone. A JioPhone user can use the JioPhone for 36 months and can get a full refund of the security deposit of 1,500 by returning the used JioPhone. Net, you pay nothing for the JioPhone. It is free. Dear share owners, all Indians, without exception, will not only be free from voice and SMS charges, but also from extortionist data charges. From the 15th of August 2017, they will have access to the highest quality, highest quantity, and the most affordable and unlimited data. This is how Jio will end the digital exclusion in India. And this is what I call digital freedom. Reliance dedicates the JioPhone to the nation on the joyous occasion of India at 70, our 70th anniversary of India's freedom, and offers it to over 50 crore data-deprived mobile feature phone users in India. Digital life will no longer be the privilege of the affluent few. This is the most powerful digital tool ever created in India to empower every Indian. Technological limitations and inefficiencies of some operators will no longer become an excuse to perpetuate digital deprivation to over 50 crore Indians. Reliance democratized the equity culture in the past. Now Jio will democratize the digital culture in India. Jio will be the greatest accelerator of the Bharat-India connectivity. Indians, even in remotest villages, will now have the same access to digital entertainment, digital learning, e-healthcare, e-banking, e-governance, and real-time information that is enjoyed by those in cities like Mumbai or Delhi. The launch of the JioPhone will fulfill the dream of our founder, Shri Dhirubhai Ambani, and the Digital India vision of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi. Friends, so when will the JioPhone be available? The JioPhone will be available for user testing in beta this 15th August and for pre-booking from the 24th of August. And the JioPhone will be physically available to those who have pre-booked on a first-come, first-served basis from September this year. So I encourage all of you to pre-book a JioPhone as quickly as possible, starting the 24th of August. And from the last quarter of this year, all JioPhones will be made in India. We are targeting to have 5 million JioPhones available every week. Dear shareholders, I have always set impossible goals and targets for my colleagues at Jio, and they have unfailingly made the impossible possible. Today, I am mandating the Jio team to help a majority of feature phone users in India to migrate to the JioPhone. JioPhone will make the 2G feature phone obsolete. With this, I am sure Jio will set a new world record.